It was a very cold winter morning. The sky was grey, and a freezing wind blew across the fields. The trees stood still and covered with frost. A farmer was walking through his fields, checking his crops as he did every day. He was a hard-working man. No matter how cold or difficult the weather was, he always made sure his land was cared for. As he walked along a narrow path, he suddenly noticed something lying on the ground. At first, he thought it was a fallen branch, but when he moved closer, he stopped in surprise. It was a snake. The snake was frozen from the cold. Its body was stiff and it looked almost lifeless. The farmer stared at it for a moment. He knew very well that snakes could be dangerous. Many people in the village feared them. The farmer looked at the frozen snake and thought for a moment. He knew that if he left it where it was, he would be safe and could continue on his way without any trouble. He took a few steps forward, but then he stopped. He turned around and looked at the snake again. A feeling of pity filled his heart. He thought, "It's a living creature. It will die if I leave it here." The farmer's kind nature would not allow him to walk away. So he carefully picked up the frozen snake. Even though he knew the risk, he placed it inside his coat, close to his chest, so his body heat could warm it. Then he slowly continued his walk. As he walked, he spoke softly to the snake. "Don't worry, little one, you will be fine soon." The farmer felt proud that he was helping a helpless creature. After some time, the warmth inside the pot began to bring the snake back to life. Slowly, its stiff body started to relax. Its eyes opened. Its breathing became stronger. The farmer felt the movement and smiled. He said happily, "It's working. I have saved its life." He imagined that once the snake recovered, it would quietly crawl away and continue its life. But the farmer forgot one important truth. Kindness can change many things, but it cannot always change someone's nature. Minute by minute, the snake grew stronger. Its body became warm, and soon it was fully awake. The farmer was completely unaware of what was about to happen. Suddenly, he felt something move quickly inside his coat. Before he could react, the snake lifted its head, and without any warning, the snake bit the farmer hard on the chest. Within moments, the poison began spreading through the farmer's body. His chest burned, his legs felt weak, his vision became blurry. The farmer tried to keep walking, but he couldn't. He fell heavily onto the cold ground. A short time later, some villagers passing nearby heard his cries. They rushed over and found him lying in the field. One of them asked, "What happened?" The farmer pointed weakly toward the grass. He whispered, "A snake." The villagers quickly understood. They tried to help him. They brought water. They supported his head. But deep down, everyone knew the truth. The poison was too strong. The farmer did not have much time left. The farmer looked at villagers. Then, with the little strength, he spoke, "My friends, learn from what happened to me today. I knew the snake was dangerous. I knew it could hurt me. Yet I ignored the danger because I felt sorry for it. I saved its life. I gave it warmth when it was freezing. I protected it when it was helpless. But The snake did not change. It simply followed its nature. It became strong again and then it harmed the person who saved it. Never forget this lesson. Do not expect a bad person to change just because you are kind to them. Some people only think about themselves. They take your help, they accept your kindness, but when the time comes, they may still hurt you. The farmer smiled sadly and closed his eyes, and with this final breath, he left this world. For many years, the villagers remembered that cold winter morning. Parents told the story to their children. Some people never change their nature, no matter how good you are to them. Be kind, but be wise. A good heart should always be protected by good judgment.